Hello, monkeys. We're back playing monkey game with the little monkey. Let's get into it. You was crashing out for me for a second. So let's get to this new map because you know where it is.
It is right in front of your face.
Oh, hold up, wait. Are you serious? We go in there to see the new map?
Yes.
Okay.
You don't need a pickaxe though.
Okay. Whoa!
You can swim in here. You can swim in here, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, you can. Dude, remember that hollow purple video we saw?
Yes. These items are the things that little turtles needed.
Wait, can we keep these?
Yes.
How much do they sell for?
And they're actually, they aren't selling today. I don't think we sell them.
And what do we do with them?
I'll show you.
Ugh.
Just grab as many as you can.
There were only like the 3 that were already in here. I don't think they respawned.
Okay, go back to the exit. Okay, what we have to do now is we have to go down. Up. Down. Yeah, if you fall, you die.
Crap.
Over. Over. Over.
Yeah.
Go.
My bad, I panicked.
I thought you died, bro.
Nah, I just panicked.
Okay, we're gonna go over here. Up here.
Bro, how did you do that?
This wall.
I'm Spider-Man.
I've been playing. Oh. Okay, we're gonna go down here. You might not be able to see anything, but that's okay. Then we're gonna head down here. Get on. Okay.
Come on.
Boy.
Did you just call me good boy?
We don't sell these, okay? You want to see what they do?
Sure.
I want to show you something. Okay, I'm gonna put this in here, okay? Then I want to show you what these thingies do. I'm gonna grab a random item. And I'll just
Grab my nuts.
grab this. Okay, look at what happens. I'm gonna dump out one of them. Okay, I'm gonna put that down and look. Wait.
What does it do?
It's a black hole. It's a black hole. Here, let me put it in a better space. Okay, it's up in the air now, so it should be better.
No! Okay, that is really
I heard that
cool.
doing. Wait, I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put one right here.
Double trouble? Oh.
Yes.
Thanks for the arrows. I think I have one. Oh,
We're gonna use some of your thingies, okay?
I only have one.
Why'd you only grab one?
Because I can only grab one. You took the rest.
Back up a little bit, and then go.
That is really cool, though. Oh god, that's a
Yeah.
bomb.
How many more do I
Thanks
have?
for the arrows.
throw that up. I want to see how strong that is.
Not strong at all. It didn't suck me.
Okay, I don't have any more. Okay. Buck.
Thanks for the arrows.
That's really the update.
Really?
Yeah, that's basically the update.
So should we just play Russian roulette?
No.
But I want to play Russian roulette.
I think that should be the end.
Bruh, then this video is gonna be like 3 minutes long.
That's okay.
Get over here.
No.
Let's just play. Let's just play Russian roulette. 2, 3, 4, 5. Dang it!
Buck.
Okay, are we in agreement that we press the thing like 3 times? Okay, we press the thing 3
right
times.
through your nose, bro.
1,
Right through your nose. 1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Here.
1, 2, 3.
1,
1.
2, 3. Dang it.
1, 2, 3.
So close. 1, 2, 3. Dang it.
2, 3.
3. 1, 2, 3. Dang it.
We're on a pattern. I'm gonna change it to 4.
3, 4. Here, we can do any amount 1 through 4. Dang it. We have to be looking at the other person. We can't look at the bullet. Because that would be just cheating.
Oh, wait. My bad. Wait.
That was 4. That was 4.
Here. 1.
I win. I'm touching myself tonight.
You were looking at the bullet.
I was not. I'm gonna sell this.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah,
see.
yeah.
I'm gonna see how much an empty gun goes for. Fuck. Oh! 280. That's not bad. For an empty gun? Why are there flashlights everywhere?
Don't touch it. If you touch it, you're gonna get it.
Oh, crap. You suck. Again, you suck.
I want to do something with you.
I'm gonna tase my balls.
Okay. Take this and put it in. No, put that down. Put that down. Okay. Take this, press B, and put it in the bag.
It won't let me because it's in my bag.
Bro,
That's
you're not putting it in?
That's not my bag. It won't let me. It won't let me. Okay, it's
Okay,
in.
buy a bag then. Buy one. Oh, it is?
No, it's in. It's in.
Okay, stay right there, okay?
Can I turn off these flashlights?
On you. Yes.
Thank you. 3 flashlights. I wanted those flashlights. Come on, respawn. You son of a bitch! I wanted those flashlights. What?
You can have these ones.
Yeah, that
After
was
you
the
go
plan.
get them. Or not.
Stop!
It's
Don't
still
talk to me!
sent you flying.
Stop!
That should be it. Let's go.
Crap. Hold up. Oh. I want all of those.
Hurry up, bro.
Give me a second.
No one wants to see that your boringness, bro. Come on. Come on.
Hold
What
up
are you
again.
doing?
Doing something.
Giggity get back. Let me take. What are you
Alright.
doing? Stop, bro. Stop.
Blast off in 3, 2, 1. Baka. Whee! Incoming. Whee! Alright, let's giggity go. Come on. Go explode yourself.
No.
Bro, that's what you smell like in real life.
I'm a smelly rotten banana.
Alright. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!